Hi everyone, here is the Between series where simple but amazing thoughts are shared. Today it's Hello God. Hello, hello God, it's me. I went around blissfully all these years, trusting my mind and strength. I managed a lot of things. Had gone to school, college, and for work, and now I am beached. I assumed that when we stay focused on our life and remain committed to our work, we would succeed. I had not known that for no reason we will be distraught. The law of nature is when we are reckless, we will be rebuked. So I guarded my ways. But unfortunately, I counted despairing moments. My sensible mind cannot fathom things now. I am reminded that you are the master designer of our lives, and the wise thing will be to check with you and seek your help. I am sorry for the time in between when I had failed to think of you. I can feel how you feel now. You are God, and you would be pleased to hear me today, but I am carried with a little guilt. Fine, in this world, they say better late than never. Why don't you explain things? Because we human beings are taught to reason out everything. When the science of my reasoning fails, I feel lost. Maybe, just like me, there would be many speaking to you now about the same matter or situation, and you have to do a master balancing act. So you may choose on the first come first served basis, or have preference for the underprivileged, or give priority for the righteous, or recognize frequent callers, or incline towards loyal believers. I don't know. But God, reveal what you expect from me. Maybe this is what you want to tell me. Above being good, we must be in touch with you regularly to accept your ways, whether we discern or not, because a lot of time and energy are spent in self-healing but with futility. Future might reveal the reasons you have for the present. Till then, I shall wait, but keep me unassailable. Today, let me just like you, share you with others, and definitely subscribe to your channel of peace and hope so that you will upload me with all grace and blessings. If you are touched by this video, do share with others.